Influential SADC corporate partners and other blocs have in the past few weeks held important meetings and conferences in a clear attempt to nudge the regional bloc SADC into announcing fresh elections to be held in Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, so we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The European Union, the African Union, SADC corporate partners in Germany and Europe have all encouraged SADC to announce fresh elections in Zimbabwe. This is a resolution settled for after lengthy due processes to correct the illegitimacy in Harare. We do have it on good authority that the majority of SADC member states are pushing for SADC to announce fresh elections in Zimbabwe. However, of the 15 member states, 3 which we have been given as South Africa, Tanzania and Angola are pulling in the other direction. South Africa can fund SADC on its own. Tanzania can logistically fund SADC on its own. Angola, besides being the current chair, can also feed SADC on its own. We are talking of economic powerhouses in SADC here. This is today's news about SADC being under pressure to announce fresh elections in Zimbabwe. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.